Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video to clarify some things about Lab 2 Exercise 10. Um, I guess it's not exactly sort of crystal clear what they're asking you to do. So I'm going to walk you through basically all the steps with just a part of the problem they give you here. So we start off with here the double-stranded DNA that they've already printed out for you, right? What you need to do in the next is draw them separating like that, okay? So this is the process where it's unzipping, right? So you need to just go ahead and draw them apart like that. What does it look like? After that, it wants you to now draw basically the two separate halves of the DNA and show each individual mRNA base here, the bases for the mRNA, coming in and attaching to the top half of the DNA strand there. So you can see I've got each of the bases coming in. Now this is an important thing to remember at this step. DNA uses T, but RNA uses U instead of T. So anywhere you would put a T in the in the DNA, you want to put a U instead. So you can see here the DNA says A, and normally that would be a T if I was making DNA, but I'm not making DNA, I'm making RNA, so I use a U. And it's the same thing here and here. But you notice it doesn't work in the opposite direction. If this says T, you use an A, right? Okay, so that's how you create the mRNA. The next step, it wants you to re-zip that DNA right there and show... I've got a cat who wants to get in on the act here. No, not right now. You've got the mRNA right out here. And so it wants you to draw those two things separate. It wants to see the DNA zipped at that point. Next, it wants you to show the mRNA, which I've drawn on the bottom here, and the free-floating tRNA anticodons. Remember, 3-letter sets are called codons in the RNA, but in the in the mRNA, they're codons. In the tRNA, they're anticodons. They're the reverse. It's all about using those pairing rules again. So that's what you want to draw in step 5. And finally, in step 6, you're going to decode. And just to take some of the confusion out of it, you are decoding using the mRNA code. All right, you only drew the anticodons to demonstrate that you know what an anticodon is. So you're going to use the mRNA code and this lovely chart here, and I'll show you how to use it here. You start over here at this letter. Our first letter here is a U, right? So we start with the big U here. Then the next letter is a U, so we go to this U here. So we're going to be dealing with this box. And the final letter in that first codon, oh, sorry, I'm actually looking at the wrong one here. UCG is what we should be doing. UC, so we're dealing with these, one of these 4. And then the final letter is G. So where is that? UCAG. So we come here, and UCG codes for serine. So you notice I've written serine down. Then you do it again with the next one. That's U, U, and then we go UCA. So UUA is leucine. I hope that clears things up. I'll let you answer the rest of the questions on your own because that's the comprehension part of the assignment. Again, you know, if you guys have any more questions, just feel free to email, and I will try and get back to you as soon as I can. So good luck, and hope you guys have a good rest of your week. Bye-bye.